What? Really?
Hey my amazing folks, welcome back to my channel. This is me Komal Gupta and you're watching Komoholic World. Well, in today's video I'll be sharing you my experience with using rice water in my hair for 3 days. It is said that using rice water helps in detangle your hair. It also increases your hair growth faster and it makes your hair soft, silky and shiny. Also it makes your hair stronger. Okay, so this rice water technique was first used by the women of Japan because they had a flow length hair, and later on the women of China also used this technique for their hair growth. They said that they don't get gray hair until they are like 60s or 70s. So there is two method in which you can make your rice water. First, take a bowl and put 1 cup of a rice of your choice. It's not necessary to take any specific one. You can take any type of a rice whichever you have at your home. Wash it properly so that it will remove all the impurities and dirt. Then drain the dirty rice water out. I personally like to wash the rice 2 to 3 times to make sure everything is out. Now fill the bowl with water and leave it overnight, and later on you can use that. The second one is boiling method, which I am going to use for this video. So boil the rice and strain the rice water. Here my mom helped me to strain it. Let the water cool down completely, then put it in a refrigerator, otherwise it will start stinking. Hello guys, good morning. So this is the day 1 of our rice water challenge, and I just fill my rice water into this spray bottle so that it would be convenient for me to use it. And before you applying the rice water, I just wanted to give you one important tip, and that is, did you notice whenever we apply any face pack or hair mask or body mask, we make sure that our face, body and scalp is clean? So here you have to do the same thing. You have to wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner, and then you can use the rice water. Okay, so now I am going to measure my hair with this inchy tape because I want to see that this rice water thing is a bogus thing or rice water really helps to grow my hair. Okay, so I have already washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and I'm just going to detangling my hair with this comb. And if you have any wooden comb, so that is the best, and if you don't have, then you can use it just like me, any regular comb. Okay, so now I am just going to take front section of my hair and I am just going to measure it. Okay, so you can see it is 21 centimeter. Spray rice water onto your roots as well as the ends and gently massage your scalp. So whenever I wash my hair falls a lot, and I heard rice water reduces hair fall, so I will let you know it does or not. Okay, so I have applied the rice water on my roots and I have massaged it properly and on the lengths of my hair also. And now I'm just going to make a bun. Okay, so I will leave my hair like this for 2 hours and let all the proteins of the rice water absorb into my scalp, and after 2 hours I will take shower and I will tell you how my hair is behaving. Hey guys, so this is day 2 of me using rice water, and the changes that I have noticed is I didn't find any trouble to detangling my hair, and also my hair becomes little bit softer, not that much but little bit. I also noticed when I took shower yesterday, my hair fall was little less, and I don't know it because of rice water or not, but I will let you know. And it becomes shiny also. Okay, so I will again apply rice water today and leave it for 2 hours, and always remember, always shake your rice water before applying it. While spraying that, let me tell you, rice water has many vitamins and minerals like amino acids, B vitamin, vitamin E, antioxidants, inositol and starch. and here I sprayed some water on my face. So it is the third day of me applying rice water, and I can definitely say my hair fall has reduced and my hair is much smoother and has become super easy to detangle. Also, it is recommended do not go out if you are having this on. Just wash your hair before going out. Okay. So here I am doing inversion method. In this method you have to flip your head over and massage your scalp for few minutes. This is supposed to bring blood circulation to the scalp, which in return will help promote hair growth. So I am done applying rice water and I am not going to wash my hair today. Instead I will wash it tomorrow. I am really excited to see how my hair looks and how the texture it will be. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so now that we have completed our 3 days of rice water challenge, so I'm really excited to measure my hair once again. What? Really? It's 23 inches. Initially it was 21 and now it's 23. Yeah, I'm so happy. Now I am going to apply rice water once in a week because I am really happy with the results. So let me tell you what are the good things that happened with me after using rice water. First and the foremost is it has reduced my hair fall. And the second thing is it has really easy to detangle my hair. I mean, you can see I don't feel any difficulty to detangling my hair, and it has become softer also, like really soft, and you can see the shine. And also my baby hair has grown. I mean, look at it guys, see. Yay, I'm happy. So there is one important thing that you need to know is don't apply rice water on a daily basis, otherwise it will damage your hair. Actually there is one term called protein overload which is not good for your hair. So I would rather suggest you to apply once in a week, which I am also going to follow that. So yeah guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Hit the bell button also, and I shall see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and have a good day.